let me show you how to set up a signature inside of Outlook. If you want to quickly add in your signature, you can create a template so that you can just select the template whenever you need it. In order for you to create a signature inside of Outlook, click on the settings option on the top right. Now, in order to head over to the signature section, click on the accounts option on the first. And right here in this section, you'll see the option called signatures. If you click on it, you'll have a section of adding in a new signature. Firstly, you need to name this signature whatever you like so that you can remember it when to use it. Next, you need to add in any text or images or even attachments to this particular signature. You can also customize the text how you want to appear it. If you want to make it bold, or you can also add in an underline. You can also change the color of the font if you like. You can just select the color. You can just select the text, and then you can change in the color of the text as well. So take a look at all of these settings that you can manage. If you want to add in any images, attachments, you can also do this by clicking on this icon and then selecting the picture. So take a look at all of these settings, add in everything that you need, and once you're done, click on save on the bottom. There you go, your signature now has been created. Now once you compose any new mail, in order to attach the new signature, you can click on this icon which says attach one of your email signatures, and it's going to display all of the signatures that you created. You can select one of them and the signature will be added in. This way you do not need to manually do it every time you're trying to send an email. So that was a quick tutorial on the way that you can create email signatures inside of Outlook. If this video was helpful to you, do let us know by giving this video a thumbs up. That's pretty much all for today. I'll see you in the next one.